English to Pashto sentences. Look into my eyes. Zama pastargu ke wagora. Throughout the night. Tola shpa. Don't spit. Tuka ma. Here and there. Apala depala. It's not possible. Da mumkina nada. About me. Zama pabarake. What do you lose? Stapi sizi. One more thing. Yo balshe. Why to speak? Wayal wilidi. It's slight cold. Yah kam de. I got your number. Matasta number palas rage. From where? The kam zaina. Don't threaten me. Ma yarawa ma. Make a cup of tea. Yo pyalai che poh ka. I was waiting. Ma intizar kao. Don't even think so. Dasi soch hum makawa. I cannot believe it. Zama yakin narazi. How disgusting is this? Da sumra bakwas de. You are very arrogant. Da der garur kai. When will you go? Taba kalazi. After 2 days. Dwau razipas. What brings you here? Dalta sangrat lawushu. I am here to meet you. Za dalta sta sara melavedola ragalayam. What do you do? The sakar kai. I am a student. Zayo talibelam yam. I rang him up. Ma hagha phone wako. I have full faith in him. Zama pahaga pura bawar de. Let me work. Kartami preda. What will you like to eat? Sabahure. There is less salt in the curry. Pasalan ki malga kamada. Where are you putting up nowadays? Tanan sabakum zai usegi. Be seated, please. Tasu kenai. The court declared him guilty. Adalat hagha mujrim sabit ko. Is the boss in? Aya sepshta? You are responsible for this. Dadi zimawar thay. I was just joking. Maho gap lagao. I will come after changing my clothes. The jamo badlawalu napas razam. Please have something cold. Mehrobani waka lagya waka. To let the karai the para khali. This house is to let. The kor the karai the para khali de. Exit the bahar the wato lara. No smoking. Cigarettes kal manadi. Don't be in a hurry. Tadi makawa. Mend your ways. Pal adatuna samka. Don't make me lose my temper. Guza kawami ma. When did you come? Takala ragale. I came yesterday. Zaparun ragalayam. Are you sick? Ayata na jodai. No, I am fine. Na zahayam. What does your father do? Staplar sakar kai. My father is a doctor. Zamaplar doctor de. How do you know me? Tama sanga pijani. I have seen you in my college. Mata pahpal college ke lidele. I could not sleep. Za udakde nashum. I could not talk to him. Ma da hagha habari wanakde shwi. I could not meet him. Zada hagha melao nakde shum. Why does it happen? داسې ولی کیږي. Only with me, صرف زما سره. I must leave, ما لره تله پکار دی. In front of me, زما مخې ته. None of these girls, په دې جنکو کې یو هم نه. Your neighbors, ستا ګاونډیان. What did you say? تاسو څه ووی؟ I could not hear you. ما تا وانه اوریدی. Let's go. ځئ چې ځو. Together. یو ځای. Let's go together. ځئ چې یو ځای ځو. May I sit? آیا زه کېناستی شم؟ With you. ستا سره. May I sit with you? آیا زه ستا سره کېناستی شم؟ Thank you. ستا مننه. Think. سوچ وکړه. Think again. بیا سوچ وکړه. About me. زما په باره کې. Are you worried? آیا ته خفه یې؟ I am a bit worried. زه لږ شانتې خفه یم. She left me. هغې زه پرېښودم. She left me alone. هغې زه یوازې پرېښودم. A better tongue. ترخه ژبه. You have a better tongue. ستا ژبه ترخه ده. I didn't mean it. زما دا مطلب نو. I just know him by name. زه صرف هغه په نوم پیژنم. He came in the nick of time. هغه په صحیح وخت راغی. He is on leave these days. نن سبا هغه په چوټۍ دی. It's not like that. دغسې خبره نه ده. What brings you here? راتله څنګه وشو؟ Nothing could be happier than this. د دې نه نور د خوشحالۍ خبره څه کیدی شي؟ It's not like that. داسې هیڅ خبره نشته. Who do you want to meet? ته د چا سره میلاوېده غواړې؟ I also have the right. ما ته هم حق اصیل دی. Forget this matter. دا خبره یېره کا. Around you. ستا نه غیر چاپېره. Nowadays. نن سبا. Nowadays I am around you. نن سبا زه ستا نه غیر چاپېره یم. Nowadays everyone has a mobile. نن سبا د هر چا سره موبایل دی. In your heart. ستا په زړه کې. Now what is in your heart for me? وس ستا په زړه کې زما دپاره څه دي؟ There is something. دغلته څه دي؟ There is something in your hand. ستا په لاس کې څه دي؟ He called. هغه فون وکړو. He called yesterday. هغه پرون فون وکړو. You will not change. ته به بدل نشي. Not yet. وس نه. He lay down. هغه سملاستو. He fell into a deep sleep. هغه په ژور خوب اوده شو. Day by day. ورځ تر ورځه. You will improve day by day. ورځ تر ورځه به ته ښه شې. In this matter. دا قصه ختمه کا. They knew it. دی ته دا پته وه. Already here. د مخکې نه دلته. He is already here. هغه د مخکې نه دلته دی. I will be ready. زه به تیار یم. In 2 minutes. په 2 منټه کې.